Welcome to Network with Shawn, the place to build your network that fills your dreams. See you in the inside.
Is Network with Shawn. And so today we'll be going over what is a chatbot. Okay. So for today, I'll be showing you the exact system that helped me start my brand. And it has done wonders for me because I no longer have to manually talk to every single person. All right. So let's get started. So, as you can see here with Network with Shawn on the website, we have Chat with Mr. Wolf. All right. So, I'm going to take you on a journey about how I built Mr. Wolf. So, Mr. Wolf is my AI assistant. All right. And so, here is one of the things that I built to help me save more time and energy and money because I no longer have to hire an assistant. Okay. So look at what Mr. Wolf has to say right now. He says, "Hi, I am Mr. Wolf, your AI computer assistant today. Shawn Phelps created me to guide you through a journey and what he offers with digital marketing and other resources to help you navigate this online world. So before we begin assisting you today, what is your name? So let's say your name is, we're going to type in LeBron, right? LeBron comes through, puts his name in, and then this flow comes up. Okay. It says, "Hi, LeBron. I'm Mr. Wolf here to help you with digital marketing tools for your brand or business. I was created in 2023 by Shawn Phelps, an entrepreneur who wants to make life easier for you by building smart systems. Since he was 19, Shawn has worked in many fields: healthcare, UPS, security, and more. Through these jobs, he met countless people and inspired them to improve their lives. Now he wants you to get the right tools to grow and succeed. Have a wolf-tastic day. How can I help you?" So, as you can see here, I put some more prompts right here. I want my free marketing tools. I want to learn Forex. So let's say somebody wants to learn Forex. They just click on here, and Mr. Wolf takes them to this section. Here's the section where you can learn about Forex, which stands for foreign exchange market. I'm glad you decided to invest in yourself to get your pips. Rather, the market is moving up or down, baby. Woof woof. And so here, people can get to my ebooks that I have for Forex traders to guide them on, and then pretty much just go back to the main menu. So that's it for Mr. Wolf, and I'm going to show you behind the scenes on how I built him. So we're back in the system that which I built Mr. Wolf, which is Builder of. I'm going to show you how I was able to build Mr. Wolf. So here are, some other chatbots that I created. But today we're going to specifically talk about Mr. Wolf. All right. So give me a second to open the flow. So let me zoom out here. So what you seen earlier, this is the journey that Mr. Wolf has taken you on. So as you can see here, this was the first part, right? And then it led you to here, okay? And then, as you seen earlier, I want to learn Forex, and it took us to over here. Okay, so one of the most important things that I want people to understand is this right here. You can use the collected data. As you can see, when people go through your AI assistant, you can get their username, their email, and phone number, which is very crucial in today's time when you're talking about having a business. All right. So as you can see here, we're going to go into the settings, And with the settings, as you can see, I have the purple background, which is going to pull people attention, with the black button right here, different colors. Um, I made this kind of like a reddish type of pinkish color, and the text color that you see right here at the bottom, typing color. That's what you see loading up right here at the bottom. And then also you can change the font as well. Okay. So this is how I built Mr. Wolf, and I am glad that you were able to see behind the scenes and how I built this. And now you know what an AI chatbot is. Okay, so you no longer have to worry about what is a chatbot because you have seen this video. Okay, so next, I want you to get back to the person who shown you this video, and you're going to get their link to get started with Builderall. Okay, because it's very crucial that you understand how to utilize AI. And if you don't, you're going to be left behind. So I appreciate everybody who watched this What is a Chatbot video. And make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on what you learned today about what is a chatbot underneath this video. So I appreciate everybody who tuned in for today, and see you next time.